Hello, my friends. Welcome all my new and returning subscribers to my Southern Kitchen and to the 295th episode here on Ellen's Homemade Delights. I'm Ellen. Hope all you doing well. There's nothing more Southern than a nice hot bowl of grits. So that's what I'm going to make. But these ain't your ordinary grits. We're going to make cheese grits. Oh, yes. And my friends, this recipe is thebomb.com. It's going to be so cheesy, delicious, full of flavor. And as always, it is so simple and easy to make. And these would be great to serve for your next breakfast or brunch gathering. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. And also check out my grits playlist for more grits recipes from shrimp and grits to grits pie. So grab your grits and your cheese sugar because we're about to cook some cheese grits magic in my Southern kitchen. Here we go. Alright, my friends, in my large pot, I got the fire over high heat. We're going to add in 2 cups of water and 1 1/4 cups of my favorite milk, evaporated milk. That's going to make the grits nice and creamy. And all we do is bring it to a boil. Alright, my friends, the milk and the water has come to a boil. So next we're going to add in 1 teaspoon of salt, very important. And we're going to slowly add in 1 cup of quick cooking grits. And make sure you whisk it so that way your grits won't be lumpy. Give that a quick stir until it's nice and well combined. And we're going to bring it back to a boil. Alright, my friends, the grits has came back to a boil. So now we're going to cut the fire down to low. And we're going to cover it. And let it cook for 30 minutes. And you want to whisk it occasionally. And if your grits be too thick, you can add more water. Alright, I'll bring you back. Alright, my friends, it's been 30 minutes. Let's take a look. Oh yeah. See how nice and creamy our grits look? Alright, that was great. So now it's time to add our final ingredients. We're going to add in 1/2 teaspoon of white pepper, or you can use the seasoning of your choice. And of course, you can't have grits without butter. I'm adding 4 tablespoons, which is 1/2 stick of unsalted butter. And of course, the cheese. I have 4 ounces of Colby Jack cheese that I grated, or you can use any cheese. And all we do is whisk all this together until the cheese and butter is melted. Woo-wee, that looks good. Butter and cheese is a must-have in Southern cooking, if I do say so myself. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and finish stirring this in, and I'll bring you back. Alright, my friends, there you have it. Southern cheese grits. And it smells awesome in this kitchen. Alright, so now I'm about to fix me up a bowl, and I'll give it a taste. My friends, look at this bowl of Southern goodness right there. And I garnish it with some more cheese and butter. That's how we do it here in the South. Alright. I'm going to stir it up a little bit so the butter and cheese can melt. Oh my. Oh my. Ooh, look at that cheese and butter. Alright. Now it's time for the best part. The tasting. Here we go. Ooh. Be careful, so I'm gonna burn my mouth. Woo, doggles. Creamy, and cheesy. Y'all would definitely love these cheese grits. Please give this a try. Your whole family will enjoy it. Oh, it just melts in your mouth. This deserves another bite. Mmm. Cheese grits-licious. My friends, can you believe we're 5 more episodes away from the 300 episode? OMG, I can't believe it. And y'all stay tuned. I got a great recipe to whip up for y'all for the 300th episode. You don't want to miss it. My friends, many thanks so much for watching and joining me in my Southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video and this recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. And I'll see y'all on my next video. Let's eat.